Hey guys, this is Libby from Vine Skills with your Tip Tuesday on our upcoming Free Help Wednesday, all about DocGens. So this session is going to be focused on how to create some comprehensive DocGens on some standard different types of docs that you might have to send as part of your practice. So we're going to look at one for medical records requests right now. So we're in our medical section of our test project, Mr. Grizzly Bear, and let's say we wanted to send a records request to our Dr. Luna Pawson. All we're going to have to do is make sure that this section is filled out with all of the data that we need to populate onto that medical records request. So of course, the provider information, as well as the dates of treatment. So once we've got all the important components filled out, all we're going to do is navigate to the corresponding DocGen widget template, which can be found in this box here. So right now there's only one template in this widget, but there could be multiple if we had different types of requests to send. We'll choose the request that corresponds to what we're trying to accomplish, so our records request, and hit generate. If you template once, you'll see the option to regenerate, so you can always keep a history of all the previous generations of that template in over time. So while we wait for that, we'll give it just a second, and then we'll start to talk about the different types of codes that are available in this DocGen. If you ever find yourself having to wait for a couple minutes for that DocGen, you can always hit refresh on your browser, but as you can see, it does populate pretty quickly. One of my favorite features of Filevine DocGen is that once we generate that document, if we want to go and take a look at it, we can just click that hyperlink and it's going to open that template, or rather that generated document, in a separate tab. So we don't have to download or upload or worry about anything like that. As we can see, here's our outputted records request. It's pulled in all the information from our medical section, so all of Dr. Luna Pawson's information and all of our client information. So the cool thing about DocGens is that even if we're pulling data from a collection section, we can also always pull in static data, things like the client's name, the date of service, and those client details into whatever request that we're doing. Looking forward to seeing you Wednesday.